Identity match within Salesforce Data 360 helps you override identity resolution rules. For example, in a typical identity resolution rule, we have matching rules and reconciliation rules. Based on these matching and reconciliation rules, system tries to perform exact matches on individuals and unify them into unified individual profiles. But at some time, we have certain data sets where there is no common identifier, but those data sets might be of a same individual. In such cases, the typical identity resolution rule might skip merging that data set of a particular individual. So identity resolution has to override certain rules so that exact merge can happen. Here we have concept of identity match. If you feel that certain data sets where there is no common identifier belongs to a same individual, you can have identity match concept within your architecture and implement identity match data model objects, mapping those individual data sets to identity match data model object. Identity match data model object would help you override identity resolution rules, and it might tell system that there is no common identifier, still this data set belongs to that individual and it will help you merge. Or at some point of time you want to exclude the merge between two different individual data sets, though there is a common identifier, but still you want to exclude from the merger. So identity match would help you split certain records.